I'm just building this gal a gate. I'm gonna leave the wood in the truck because we gotta dig holes. Alright, the gate is happening right back here. You can see we got a little improvised situation. I should say the reason I took this job is that I couldn't think of a situation where someone needed a gate any more than this one. Alright, cleanup's coming along. We're going from over here to the house, so it's going to be a little bit crooked, you know? There's a pretty nice crock right there. Oh, this looks like it's just gonna come right out. Now, typically I would throw down concrete in the hole. Around here we got soft ground, but in this case there's no water on site, no outside water. I didn't truck in, you know, like 5-10 gallons. So I'm just gonna use gravel. Gravel's pretty dang solid. So we're framed in over there, just got to build the gate. She's still got some stuff to clean up back in here. This is like the remnants that used to be used for the gate, but I did the double ZZ, stiffen it up, and I think it looks pretty good. She's got like 5 dogs, 4 dogs, all these little mini Yorkie terriers. And when I was building the gate, the freaking Pomeranian Yapper crew mini Yorkie thing, they cut loose because basically the dogs attacked me. And I got bit and stuff in my legs, and we were screaming at the dogs trying to get them back in the house. Anyway. Now that used to be like a full dude, like a carved wood dude, but he kind of fell apart. Alright, so we got the 5 yards of compost on board. Now we just got to meet the gal at the first garden, and we got to split it 3 ways. We're going to 3 gardens. So at the first garden, we'll take out 1/3 of it. I don't know what 1/3 of 5 yards is. So here's the garden, and it looks like it's been sort of tilled and set up. Just got to figure out where they want the compost. Can I put it right there? Okay. You got it. So the first load has been dumped, and I think my hydraulics on the dump trailer blew a seal or something, because it just sounded so wrong when that baby was coming down. I started losing hydraulic fluid and stuff, so we'll see if I manage to make the next 2 dumps. Alright, next garden is up here by the library. Oh man. That's funny, this house straight ahead, right up here, I did a bunch of tree removals right there. What was that, a few months back? It's looking okay. I would take out a few more of those trees. Alright. so hydraulics on the trailer, definitely bleeding out, losing fluid, but I made that dump. We got one more to go. Other side of town, this will be the third community garden, getting some compost. Alright, garden number 3 is up here on the lake. You can see hydraulic fluid just like everywhere. Let's see if we'll go. It just doesn't sound right. Bleeding out. Alright, at least it worked, but it's still sounding sick. One load split 3 ways. That wasn't too bad. Just need to figure out what's up with the dump trailer. If any hydraulic specialists out there, you know, just maybe send me a note or something. I don't know what's up with that thing. It's like, it's pressurized going up. It's good. But then with the load in it, bringing it back down, it started to squeal and bleed fluid. I'll go on the internet, you know, the YouTubes or whatever. YouTube's has a lot of quality information. Oh, what's up, Bowie? Alright, we got the birds watered. Next thing I want to do, I just want to till this one more patch in the garden. New tiller from my old tractor. So, 2021 tiller on my 1964 tractor. Alright, so here's the state of the garden right now. I tilled all this stuff last couple days, so that's all turned up. Garlic is jamming, thanks to Debbie. Our buddy Debbie not only gave us the garlic, but planted it for us. And the asparagus patch is right up here. So basically it's ready for some planting. We're still gonna have some frost and stuff, but this is what I wanna do. Right here inside the garden enclosure, it's just like this big grassy stretch. And I was planting the fence line with like peas and stuff, but I just want to till this up and see if I can't get a crop in here. Maybe squash or melons, which have done really good in this area. Now Melissa's been saying that I should kind of like nuke the fence on this garden so the dang tractor can fit in here. And you know, this is the first year I've actually used the tractor in the garden. I was using like a hand rototiller and stuff. So I can move the fence back and maybe pop this out and make some panels or whatever. But I also just kind of want to get to planting stuff. So we'll see if that happens. On the list for the tractor inside the garden, the other thing is to move some compost around. I've got compost inside these pallet bins over here, and I gotta nuke those and move it around. This is what we got out here. It's just this dark, loamy stuff. No clay, no rocks. And it's like that everywhere. Like the whole freaking garden's like that. It's just this Illinois soil, man. Not everywhere in the state, but a lot of places, I guess it was just swamp or whatever. So we've got awesome soil. You'll never guess what we're planting. Just like a little visual reminder that we got something in the ground right here. Maybe I'll even remember that it's peas. Last year we tried like cucumbers and stuff on here, but they didn't grow that big. We had like little cucumbers along the side, and that was about it. But the most important thing today is right here. Just getting the old hands dirty out in the garden. All right guys, thanks for checking out the video. It bears repeating that this is not like a how-to kind of thing. It's just a story of how I did it, and I appreciate you checking it out.